Okay guys, welcome back. Today we will learn how to save YouTube video stats to our Google Sheet in n8n. What we will make today is to fetch the statistics for a YouTube video, like the views, the likes, the comment and the title. And after that save the data directly into the Google Sheet. Let's start the workflow. Let's get the node YouTube. Okay, get a channel. Okay, of this get a channel. Okay, we need to select the video. Okay, the video ID you need. That's my channel. Let's say we want this my first video. Okay, the video ID is this. Let's copy paste here. Okay, so we want to select the snippet and the statistics for this. Let's execute. Okay. After this, we will get the Google Sheet node. Google Sheet node. Yes. Append row in sheet. Okay. Will be sheet in document. Append row from list. No result because you don't have nothing. Let's create it. Because this is the day 2, we'll create the sheet with the day 2. Okay. Rename day 2. Okay. Rename day 2. Okay, let's open it. And now let's put the column. So we have the title. First column. Next column will be the count, the views, likes, comments, and the date from today, because we want to see the date when the video have these qualities. Okay, now let's see if update is something. Let's execute. Field, search, append row from list. Let's see. Still nothing. Let's execute again. Okay, append row from list. You see that appear now. Okay, day 2. Okay, now let's need to map each column. For this I have noted the function for each field. So for the title you need this expression. Okay, after that for the view count, the statistics. Okay, expression also. For the likes, statistics, also expression. The comments, also the field from statistics, and the date from the date. And because my local string is from Bucharest, we'll put this to see the exact time for me. Okay, execute. Okay, let's see the if they completed. Okay, so this isn't completed because you need to execute the overflow again. Let's see now. What I put wrong here, statistics, comment count. Oh, expression, didn't select expression also here. Okay, let's execute again. So now we have the title, installing n8n and the first sample workflow. I have 35 view, 2 likes, comment 0, and the date that is today, you see this is. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next day. Bye bye.